Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe to the channel first, click the bell button and share the videos so that we can come to 20,000 subscribers. So we're looking to AVAX. So you have this constellation in your head and you're asking yourself in which direction we will go. Yeah, important here is we have a positive channel here and we sitting exact on this level. Yeah. And the question here is what will happen? You can see clear we have place until, let me look, 9th of June. Yeah. So we have here some situation or constellation. One possibility is we're going to these levels. Yeah. Make here left shoulder head and the right shoulder, and AVAX is going to 200. Yeah. The benefit is from this constellation, we can argument, okay, the trend is not break. Yeah, if we starting from here, then we can say, okay, AVAX is in the channel, so that we can sit on the channel and the next step is go to this channel, yeah, 200. Yeah, this is our argument. This is also valid. Yeah, this is not, we cannot saying that is not valid. This is valid. Yeah, but in my eyes, you have to look more in detail. Let me look. So if you look in detail, then we can recognize that since, let's look, since July, we get here really good uptrend. Yeah, but this is not, how can I say, this is not the end. Yeah, we have to fulfill some conditions to go here to the upside. Let me look. For me, is this here a really good downtrend? So that what we make here is we make only a retest of this downtrend. Yeah, if you look, so let's look. You have here the average of them. Yeah, and you have here this channel. Yeah, and you can see we test the middle channel, or the channel that is here in the middle, 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. And if you have no energy to break this here, yeah, so that we can say, okay, we will test the 4th time. If you have here no energy, then we will leave also the 3rd channel. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, and we'll go to the 4th channel. Yeah, but this time is different because the 4th channel is going from here. So you can see we have also a 5th channel that is 5, yeah, on 5 position. Let's look. So if we say, okay, this is our 5th channel, then you can see if we fall, then we will fall very hard to the downside. Let's look to 17. So if you want more, please come on the WpHG Z Club and other channels. That is hot. What will happen here? You have the possibility to make here really good money, but you have to need, or you need the information what is the best get in time. Have a nice day.